Hello, my friends. It is Christmas time. Can you believe another year has flown by? Christmas is such a special time. It's a special time at our home, especially because, yes, we get presents. Yes, we have a pretty tree. If I get my acting gear, yes, we have a pretty tree. But the most important thing is that this is when we celebrate Jesus being born. And it's just such an important time. It's an important time that we spend with the children and explain why we have Christmas. It's not about all the gifts under the tree. It's about a little baby, and it gets me teary-eyed. It's about a little baby that was born in a stable, right? I mean, wow, so much. But I just want to tell you from me and everyone at the Stamps of Life, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful day with your friends and family. Remember the reason of the season. It's not about all the gifts and all the gift wrapping and all of the fun and all of the food and all the goodies and all of that, but it's about a little tiny baby that was born to save all of us. And you know what? If you don't necessarily even believe that, can I just tell you that the God that made you loves you and wants to have a relationship with you? It's true. It's true. So, from the bottom of my heart and everyone else at the Stamps of Life, Merry Christmas. Remember the reason for the season and have a great day. Take care. We love you. Bye-bye.